Yo, hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop your files from uploading to OneDrive on your Windows 10 or 11. If you're actually tired of everything automatically syncing to your cloud, don't worry, let's get this fixed. First, head down to your taskbar on the bottom right corner and look for the OneDrive icon, right? So this is mine. If you don't see it, just search for OneDrive in your start menu over here, okay? Once open, click on the gear icon at the top, then choose Settings. Now on the left side, click Sync and Backup. Then you can hit Manage Backup. You will see your desktop, documents, and pictures folders listed. All right. Simply toggle everything off, the folders you don't want to upload, and when asked, choose only on my PC. Then press on Continue. Now repeat this for all of the folders you want to keep local, and finally click Save Changes. And we're done with the very first step. Next is to completely unlink your OneDrive. This is optional, but if we want to somehow get rid of your OneDrive, all right, we can easily do this by unlinking your account. Okay, so go ahead, go back to the settings, select account, and click on unlink to this PC. Once you confirm, OneDrive will stop syncing and all new files will stay safely on your PC only. You can now close everything, and that's it. You just now successfully stop your files from uploading to OneDrive. I hope you found this video very helpful.